Hi, Manikandan here, Director of Credo Early Childhood Solutions. It's a Bangalore-based organization. We are in this business for 20 years. We provide preschool education solutions. So it's a non-franchise, non-royalty model where we actually provide educational solutions to people interested in setting up preschools, right from a comprehensive education curriculum, 105 odd materials to support the curriculum, a comprehensive teacher training module and a child evaluation module. The focus is on education. Preschool as a business, people understand is very highly profitable, but it's also the fact that people don't understand that a school is actually running for providing education to the child. So we want to bring back the focus on education and actually provide a comprehensive solution in terms of what areas of development we want to develop in the child, what are the methodology we should adopt. Everything is comprehensively catalogued and actually demonstrated to the schools. So this is sold as a package, end-to-end, as a one-time investment where the children, where the schools don't need to pay any royalty. This is a one-time investment for the school, and they get lifetime academic support as well as the materials, the curriculum, the teacher training and everything as part of the package. Faculty is actually something that the schools need to work on. What we do is we look at faculty who are actually passionate about working with children, and we train them on using this material for the preschool. The idea is at the end of the day, all you need is somebody who is actually very passionate to work with children. Once you have that, everything else can be taught. So the teacher training component we take care of and ensuring that they give the right methodology, the right education to the child. Right now we have about 35 centers across the country. We have actually got centers right from Jammu and Kashmir to Vellore in the south. So it's a pretty comprehensive, in Chennai. Yeah. This is a solution that is actually based on the Montessori methodology, which we have launched. So the solution is applicable across the globe. So right now we are looking at a pan-India solution where we are looking to launch across the globe, across the country. The future we are definitely looking to go, especially at least in the neighboring countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. We see a lot of hope there. See, one of the main things we've seen is in the franchise expo, people look to set up preschools. A lot of customers come here looking to set up preschools because they think that's a viable option as a business proposition. Hence, what we have seen is this is a good forum for us to actually propose a preschool solution, and hence since we are offering something that is very different from what everyone else talks about, since most people here talk about a franchise business model, we are talking about a business model where they can actually build their own preschool brand with our solution. So hence we have found this is a great forum to, one, obviously advertise our brand, also potential customers who are looking to set up preschools.